Hi friends, welcome to Millets TV. Please subscribe to Millets TV.
In this video, we'll prepare eco-friendly Ganesha. Have a great Ganesh Chaturthi and celebrate it as an eco-friendly way. We just need wheat flour, turmeric powder and some water to mix. Take wheat flour into the plate, add turmeric powder and mix it with water. Make a soft dough like this. Now make a base for little Ganesha. These are for 2 legs. Make them like this. This is for dhoti. Put it like this. Now make a soft and big ball like this. This is stomach part. Now this is a chest part. Add little water and put it on the stomach. These are 2 hands. This is head part. This is haram for Ganesha and tondam or trunk. These are 2 ears. This one is for crown. Small laddu. And I took pepper for eyes. So friends, little Ganesha is ready. Now you can decorate as you wish.
Vadam Vishnu Shashi Vadam Chaturthi Pasana Vadam Daya Sava Vigna Upma Shantiye.